Hi everyone, today we're going to discuss how chronic pain impacts daily life. First, chronic pain can make it really hard to do everyday activities. Simple things like getting out of bed, taking a shower, or cooking dinner can become big challenges. When you're in pain, you might move more slowly, need to take breaks, or avoid certain tasks altogether. Chronic pain can also affect your ability to work or go to school. Many people with chronic pain have to take time off or even leave their jobs because the pain makes it too hard to keep up. This can be really stressful and can lead to financial problems. Social activities can also be affected. When you're in pain, you might not feel like hanging out with friends or family. You might cancel plans or avoid going out, which can make you feel isolated and lonely. It's important to stay connected with loved ones, but chronic pain can make it really tough. Emotionally, chronic pain can take a big toll. It can make you feel sad, anxious, or even angry. Dealing with pain every day is exhausting, and it's normal to feel frustrated. Some people with chronic pain also experience depression. It's important to talk about these feelings and seek support. Chronic pain can also affect your sleep. Many people with chronic pain have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep because the pain keeps them awake. Poor sleep can make the pain feel even worse and can lead to other health problems. Overall, chronic pain can change your whole life. It's not just about the physical pain, it's about how that pain affects your body, your mind, and your relationships. But remember, you're not alone. There are ways to manage chronic pain and improve your quality of life. Disclaimer: this post is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns you may have. If you found this post helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more. Join us tomorrow as we talk about diagnosing chronic pain and what to expect.